Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Samsung reminders not syncing in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can try and do is head over to your quick settings and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, what you can do is simply head over to settings on your device, scroll down, find apps, and then tap on apps. Once you've tapped on apps, you can head over to search, and once you've headed over to search, what you'll have to do is search for the reminders app. Tap on the reminder app. Once you've tapped on the reminder app, scroll down, and then under storage, what you'll have to do is clear the cache of reminder app and try again. If the issue still persists, you'll have to force sync your account. For that, head over to settings and search for manage accounts in the search bar. Tap on manage accounts. From here, simply hit manage accounts again. Tap on the account that you want to sync your reminder app with, and then simply hit sync account to sync it manually. After that, what you can do is simply head over to your quick settings, tap here on your power icon, restart your device and try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.